I'm Tara Sweeter for InvestmentPitch.com. American Vanadium, which trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol AVC, announced that Ron MacDonald, former member of Parliament in Canada, where he held the position of Parliamentary Secretary of International Trade, has joined its board of directors. Bill Radvac, American Vanadium's president and CEO, stated, "When you're the only dedicated mining company of a critical metal in a country like the United States, it's imperative that we build a team that can leverage this unique asset to realize its full potential." The critical metal Mr. Radvac is referring to is vanadium, as the company's name indicates. Vanadium is particularly important for the United States as its main source currently comes from the recycling of scrap steel. The balance is imported, which amounts to more than 95% of its annual requirements. Now for the familiar part of the story, who is the biggest producer? China, of course, producing 50% of the world's supply, followed by Russia and South Africa at 24% each. Historically, 92% of the world's production of vanadium has been used as an alloying metal in the production of steel, with another 4% used in titanium alloys and 4% in chemicals. However, it is vanadium's new use in the renewable energy field that is getting investors' attention, with Discover magazine calling vanadium the element that could change the world. As everybody knows, most energy created by renewable resources, such as wind and solar, is intermittent and therefore must be stored for future use. The vanadium redox flow battery solves this problem. The vanadium battery has a marvelous advantage over lithium-ion and most other types of batteries, as it can absorb and release huge amounts of electricity at the drop of a hat and do so over and over, making it ideal for smoothing out the flow from wind turbines and solar cells. Furthermore, there is no limit to the size of a vanadium battery, so it is scalable for any application. It can easily handle tens of thousands of recharges, as there is no chemical reaction and the battery doesn't degrade or get consumed over time. And the great news for American Vanadium shareholders is these batteries utilize vast quantities of vanadium. The company is currently developing the 100% owned Gibellini Vanadium project in Nevada, which came with an abundance of data as a result of 160 holes previously drilled by Union Carbide, Noranda, and Atlas. A 43101 compliant resource estimate indicates 122 million pounds of vanadium, which the company plans on extracting through heap leaching in an open pit environment. Vanadium is usually recovered as a byproduct or co-product, so the potential for American Vanadium to be the sole U.S. primary producer has helped the stock double in price over the last 6 months to its current $19 share price. Management believes the company has the potential to be the lowest cost primary producer of vanadium in the world and could supply 5% of the world's demand for 15 years. For more information on American Vanadium, visit their website, AmericanVanadium.com, or phone Bill Radvac, 604-488-5417, or email bradvac@AmericanVanadium.com. I'm Tara Sweeter for InvestmentPitch.com. For more news, visit InvestmentPitch.com. This video is for information purposes only and is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities.